Hello everyone, this is Ramya from SNS College of Technology. We have gathered here to do the case study discussion on bias in AI machines. It is related to the ethics of AI. So we have to know how this AI has some impact on our society, and the team of 5 students of third year AML have here to do the discussion over the topic.
So Kahoot and rise of AI. So when we do resume, it's rejected by the machine, but not by the human. So it's science fiction, right? But it's present. So these artificial intelligence takes the recruitment, scanning the video, interviews, and take all of these things, right? The companies also loves it because it's fast and scalable. They are biased. So these artificial intelligence learns from past data and it repeats, right? So this it's getting automated. So the companies loves it and they are preferring these kinds of AI bots. So these bias systems are danger, right? So the AI is automated. Now JP will say about real world cases.
Yeah, I will also insist one thing. As she said, it is very true. Only because of the AI is good in speed and efficiency, we can't go with the AI recruiting process, because we have to do some other improvement in the AI scrutiny process.
So there is a real world example, that is Amazon incident. So the Amazon developed an AI tool to screen the job application. But over time what has happened means the system downgraded the resumes which has women's in the word. And so what is here happening means the model is trained based on the hiring of other data. And so the algorithm learned that the males are better. So the Amazon decided to scrape the AI tool, and human cost will be spoke by Hashmi.
This bias is not only This is not only loss for humans. It also takes for real world peoples. People from the marginal community get rejected by this automatically and easily. They get rejected, and the qualified persons also they get rejected without any reasons easily. And even though if they have their knowledge, they cannot do anything. As she said, even though the decision is made by the machine, it is considered as neutral. But it cannot be considered as neutral as it is given the users or the person who designs the machine says that it is neutral. So it is a man-made thing. So next, the danger will be explained in detail.
Okay, to talk about the ethical dangers and the red flags in this case, I would like to talk about the resume case. In that, when we allow the AI to make decisions, seeing the resumes of people, it gives 3 major ethical dangers, which I would like to call as red flags. So in that, the first and foremost thing is the fairness. So a person without any knowledge maybe gets selected to a position which he does not deserve. On the other hand, someone who has too much potential for that position would have been not selected. So this one thing about fairness. And the other thing is transparency. We do not know why we got rejected. We may not get explanations for what the AI has decided. Either it is a positive feedback or negative feedback, we won't receive it. And the last and final danger is that accountability. So the AI cannot take accountability for its action. So for hiring or not hiring a person, the AI cannot take accountability for its own action. Also, the companies use this thing wisely, saying it would be the glitch due to AI. So they may not recruit a lot of people due to these reasons, and those are the dangers that are faced by us.
Yeah, of course, we also have to accept these points, because the AI has been developed. As far as the goodness, how much amount of data are values, what we have given are based on the past histories. So it will be acting as far as the goodness of the data which it has. It does not judge or justify whether it is correct or not based on the decisions. And it also does not require any it is not in the position to explain it for anyone before it taking the decisions. So, okay.
So as this guy said that many real world examples and also the intro, everything was okay. But what can we do on this? The first thing we have to listen is that diverse and training data, that is like genders. Then the second one is it is totally biased. And the third one is now humans are can be replaced by AI. So we can know that in case of replacing the human beings, we can make and assist the AI. No need to replace humans because if we replace the AI instead of humans, everyone will be changed. That is, the knowledge of human will be reduced and learning power will be also totally reduced. So, as the heading is bias is a machine in machines, we can make it as bias in ourselves. Thank you.
Yes, it was a very useful and insightful topic and the discussions over here. We chosen this topic since you are going to be a future engineers in AI. So you have to know how the developed machines which you are going to do in the future should not have any biasing, and it should not cause any harmful to the society. And once you know the benefits of this, or you know about the awareness of this biasing systems, and it will be useful for you in your upcoming projects or upcoming works. Thank you.